Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some really super cool monster trucks. Whoa, look at this one. It's Hot Wheels Racing number 84. It's a Corvette. What about this? It's Dragonoid. Bakugan Dragonoid is so cool. It's got little wings that fly around. And who's this? The cool purple wheels. It's Mohawk Warrior. Pretty neat. And who's that? It's Buns of Steel. Whoa, it's got a hamburger and french fries up there. Lean, mean, green. That's on the menu. And who's this? It's a fake monster truck, I think. Or is it? No, is it a shark? Is it a hammerhead shark? I don't know. It's pretty cool. Uh-oh, somebody lost their wheelie bar. Maybe it was this one. Who's this? Oh, it's the Hightail Hauler. That's a cool looking orange truck. Whoa, check this one out right here. It's We'll Trash It All, but it looks like it's a little dinosaur. Chomp, 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 chomp. That's pretty cool. And who's this? It's the Volkswagen bus. It's a drag racing bus. It's so cool. Let's check this one out. Oh, that's Mega Rex. So cool. I like Mega Rex a lot. And who's this? Oh, it's Nightmare. Hold on a second, guys. Let me see if I can make this work. Check it out. We can put the wheelie bar on Nightmare. It's pretty cool. Whoa, it's glow-in-the-dark twin mill. I bet those engines glow super bright at night. Check it out, it's Bowser. Look at his cute little tail. Whoa, so cute. And check this one out, it's One Bad Scoop. It's an ice cream delivery monster truck. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's a Volkswagen Beetle monster truck. I like the colors, the pink and the green and the orange. It's really pretty. Check this one out. It's Gravedigger, but it's the 40th anniversary Gravedigger, so it's a special edition. It's pretty neat. And look at this one over here. It's 5 Alarm. He's got a cool ladder. It's black. I don't see a lot of them with black ladders. It's pretty neat. And who's that over there? Oh, it's an Adventure Force monster truck called the Skeleton Crew or Skeleton Company, something like that. It's pretty neat. And check this Gravedigger out. Wow, it's so shiny. That's so neat. Look at those headlights. Let's see all the ones we found today. We found We'll Trash It All. This one, which we'll call this one a Baby Shark. Hot Wheels Racing number 84. Bakugan Dragonoid. It's a really cool red one. Oh, Great Clips Mohawk Warrior. Buns of Steel. The Hightail Hauler. Volkswagen Beetle monster truck. Uh-oh. Mega Rex. Volkswagen Drag Bus. Bowser. Twin Mill. Nightmare. One Bad Scoop. Skeleton one. 5 Alarm. 40th anniversary Gravedigger and regular Gravedigger. Wow. We found, let's count how many we found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 monster trucks. That's a whole lot of monster trucks. Which one was your favorite today? I think mine was Nightmare with the wheelie bar. That's pretty cool. We'll see you next time, friends. Thanks for watching.